Hello and welcome to Ouroboros Automotive. My name's Logan, and today what we're going to be going over is just a few announcements that I have about some things I'm going to be doing with this channel, as well as things I'm wanting to expand into. So first and foremost, I want to thank everybody that's been showing their support to me and has been watching my videos and going through and liking them and everything like that. I know that's not everybody's cup of tea, but I really do want to thank the people that are actually going out and just at least watching it or running it all the way to the end. I really appreciate it, and I can see the support there, and I'm just trying to build on that. So one of my first announcements is that I'm going to be starting to do short format film or videos on TikTok here soon, and hopefully it's going to start either next week or the week after that. I have a couple of small things I want to do and I want to touch on that really wouldn't work for like a whole video section, but hey, I think it'd be cool just to like get that information out there, and it's some of those things that there's not a lot of information on. So I want you guys to look forward to that, and make sure you go like my TikTok and all that stuff so I can start putting out content on there. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be starting to post my full format, well, sped up format. Let me preface that. Sped up format of the actual repairs. So these videos are going to be the actual time, like the full time that it's taking me to sit here and solder a whole wiring harness and things like that. And I'm going to show you guys how long it actually takes to do this. Because like I've been saying, what I'm doing here is real. It's not like a larger channel and a larger YouTube channel that's like, hey, look, $2,500 budget build. I bought all these parts for $2,500. Let me give it to a master welder to put together and 6 mechanics. No, this is actually like what it takes to do this stuff. And a lot of it's like, it can be where and a lot of this stuff, it takes time. It takes a lot of effort to do all this stuff. And what people don't realize is the amount of time that it does take to do it. And so they start getting into their projects and they're watching everybody else and their projects they're flying through them. Yeah, well, they also have the dedicated time to do it. I don't have the most dedicated time to do this, but I still enjoy doing it, hence why I am still pushing forward with it. I do want to say I have shirts available, and I have that you can obviously personalize them for your Jeep if you have a Jeep. That's kind of one of the bigger ones that I've been focusing on, is having personalized shirts for those. So you get the grill of your JK or your JKU. I even have Angry Eyes ones, or your XJ, WJ, as well as underneath of it, it'll be your body designation, your year, and your 6-digit serial number for your vehicle. So it is specifically made for you and by me. So make sure you go check out the link below, grab some merch, because that's what I'm going to roll in as my next announcement. What I've decided to do is that I want to do something, and I want to make it fun. So if I get 10 orders for shirts or hoodies in the month of May, so from May 1st to May 31st, I am going to take the XJ, my 22-year-old XJ that has the original engine, original trans, and original differentials that was not well maintained before I got it, and 205,000 miles on it, and I'm going to go dyno it. And this is literally right off the rip, I'm going to go dyno this thing and see what all has actually happened to this Jeep and how far away from, well, 2000 it is. And so I do have a new head and new exhaust system to put onto it. Well, the head's still got to have some work done to it. I'll have a video out on that, on where it's going to go get decked and everything like that. And I'll go into explaining the difference of the heads with the 4 liters. But once I get done with that, I want to then dyno it again and see how far away and how much it costs to actually get these XJs back in proper working order. I'm not the type that just wants to sit there and go throw 37s on it and cut my fenders open and throw Dana 44s under it or Dana 60s. I like my XJ the way it looks. I also like driving it on a regular basis, so I still want fuel mileage. And that's part of the whole thing. At the same time, I have a feeling that we're probably not going to hit 100 horsepower. But we'll see how it goes. So yeah, if I get 10 orders for t-shirts or hoodies in the month of May, we'll go Dyno the XJ. On top of that, the 10th order will have, you get a free shirt or a hoodie, your choice. So make sure to go check out the link, order a shirt, order a hoodie, order a hat, just show your support. One final small announcement is that we will be running another promotion in June with the clothing and my sales and stuff like that. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys at my next Friday video. So thanks again, everybody. Like the video, subscribe, go check out my YouTube, my Instagram, my Facebook, the new TikTok thing. And that's all I got. So have a great day.